All she ever hoped for was to remain unnoticed. But that changed the moment Chef Martha Coleman called her out in front of the entire room. With a mocking smile, she tossed Emma Hayes an apron and said, "Let's see if your kitchen tricks can handle the heat." Emma could feel every eye fixed on her. No one there expected the woman in plain, ordinary clothes to completely shake up their world of gourmet cooking. The renowned Chicago Culinary Academy buzzed with excitement as culinary hopefuls and food lovers poured in for a sold-out session. Polished steel counters gleamed under bright lights, and the air was rich with the aroma of herbs and gently boiling broth. Emma, dressed in a plain white tee, shifted uncomfortably, feeling like a stranger in a room full of professional. Emma took a deep breath, her fingers tightening around the apron. Her heart pounded, not from fear, but from determination. She had spent years cooking for her family in a tiny kitchen with nothing more than love, instinct, and tradition guiding her. No culinary degree, no fancy knife skills. But what she did have was soul. The room was filled with professionals using tools she'd never even seen before. They moved like dancers, precise and polished. Emma felt clumsy, like a mismatched puzzle piece. But when she stepped to her station and began to prepare her dish, something shifted. Her hands, once trembling, moved with calm purpose. She wasn't here to prove herself to anyone. She was here to cook, just like she always had. As the ingredients sizzled and aromas rose, curious glances began turning her way. First, it was a whisper. "Who is she?" Then heads started tilting. Even Chef Martha, once smug, now watched with a furrowed brow. Emma's pot of creamy mushroom risotto, infused with garlic, thyme, and just a hint of lemon zest, began to fill the room with warmth. One of the Institute's judges walked over, drawn by the scent. He dipped a spoon in her pan, took a bite, then paused. His eyes widened, not with politeness, but with genuine surprise. "This tastes like home," he said quietly. "Real home." By the end of the session, when plates were judged and points were given, Emma stood tall, not as an outsider, but as the quiet storm that no one saw coming. The crowd didn't just applaud. They rose to their feet. Chef Martha didn't speak, but her expression said it all. And Emma? She simply smiled, grateful, steady, and proud. Not for proving others wrong, but for staying true to who she was all along.